Frankenfood. It is Frankenfood. Oh, wow.
Okay, my period's still kicking my ass. I got Whole Foods.
Why do you think your period's still kicking your ass? Because you are just polluting your body. It should not be normalized to have painful, heavy periods. Hey, Frugivore! Welcome back to the Frugivore Diet channel. So today we are on TikTok. And if you're not following me, go and follow me there. Freelee Banana Girl. Not Freelee, the Banana Girl. Someone stole my handle and I can't get it back. I should have the verification tick, but yeah, can't seem to get it. But I have uploaded my latest What I Ate in a Day video, and I do aim to upload more videos, so hang around for that. But today's video, we are going to check out a trend that seems to be growing on TikTok, and that is women who are, women in particular, who are, say, obese or morbidly obese, or they call themselves fat girls, and they say they don't give a fuck about being that size and about promoting obesity and an obesity influencer, these sort of things, okay? What I Eat in a Day being massively obese. All right, so just, you know, being sarcastic, having a joke about it. And I did find this one from Fat Vegana. So I found a vegan individual, and this video has had 884,000 views. So we're going to check it out. We're going to see what she eats in a day as an obesity promoter. That's what she calls herself. So obviously she's being sarcastic, right? And that she eats 20,000 calories a day. Okay, so she obviously doesn't do that, so she's being sarcastic as well. And this is hashtag vegan, so I'm glad that she's vegan. This is fantastic. Hope she speaks about the animals. Okay, she's having a little bit of a pose there. Oh, wow. Hang on, is this her breakfast? Is this the way she's breaking her fast? Please tell me it is not. Tell me it is not. Oh, a cream cheese wonton. I am hoping that is vegan. No, it's plant-based, right? Oil-based, basically. Lamp oil-based. It probably is because she has hashtag everything vegan. So a cream cheese wonton with leftover orange chicken. So that's, you know, the common way that, you know, the engineered, human engineered meat substitute is advertised as chicken like that with leftover mac and cheese. Holy heck, is that her breakfast? Oh no, whoa, wow. Yeah, so obviously this is really unhealthy, and I don't care whether it is plants or not. Obviously, let's just get this out of the way. Cruelty free, you know, and not involving the cruelty. I mean, this sort of stuff probably is on some level, but look, I'm saying as in direct cruelty to animals. I think that's fantastic that it is not. That's not a question. What I'm talking about here is whether this is actually going to help you be healthy and stay on the path. And I challenge anyone who tries to say this is healthy. This is not healthy. This is not health food. This is not going to keep you happy and healthy as a vegan. Well, especially for breakfast. Gosh, if you have this once in a blue moon for dinner, all right, but seriously, human engineered food that is going to leave you feeling horrible.
So I have lost so far 16 pounds doing Roto 4, and that is pretty awesome to me for it not even having quite been 2 months. So yeah, those are my results so far. I've lost 16 pounds. I feel more energy. I have slightly clearer skin and 100% improved digestion.
So if you go to my website, The Banana Girl, you'll find free teasers of all my books. Okay, you can check out Roto 4 over here. Yeah, check it out. You can check out Go Fruit Yourself. So you don't have to buy anything. This is completely free. Go and have a look. My Naked Lunchbox as well. You can check out, this is definitely transitional food here. You can check out all my books, okay, for free in the teasers. So go and check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. Oh, chocolate pudding cup. How about some fruit? Ruthie, that's her name, Ruthie. Ruthie, how about some fruit? Where is it? And, you know, it's sort of becoming, I think some individuals are becoming proud of like just posting absolute rubbish. You know, like, I don't care about having high standards, you know, being like low standard is cool. This is very uninspiring. You can see this processed stuff in the middle, processed bread. The whole thing is very, very, just made by humans, right? Everything here is made by humans. How about eating something made by nature? How about that? Don't be proud to eat like this. Veggie chips. So the only thing that kind of resembles something from nature has been baked or fried to death, basically. I think there is oil involved here, and it just becomes junk food. Oh, a piece of this cookie. That's a big ass cookie. Hang on, that looks like the whole tray. I think that's more than just a cookie. But yeah, you can see like she's desperate for fructose. She needs the sweetness. She needs the fruitiness. But this is the choice that she's making instead. And, you know, that's why she'll be experiencing health issues and being obese. Like it's not rocket science. Okay. Yeah, so they're being, you know, they're kind of like posing like, hey, we're proud of our bodies and stuff like that. And I think that's wonderful to be proud of your body, okay? But for me, it's like eating in a way, oh, like, look like this. This is great. Wow, fantastic. This should have been for breakfast. Girl, what are you doing? But eating in a way that is actually nourishing your body, that's really being proud of your body and being healthy and loving yourself is nourishing yourself, right? Let's do that. This looks great. I'm supportive of this. Fantastic. Yeah. But very small. You know, you saw her hand. It was very, very small serve. And, you know, someone of her weight definitely needs to eat sufficiently in order to, on this lifestyle, in order to be satisfied. Any lifestyle. You need to eat enough, but of good foods, right? Of the right stuff, so you avoid the crap, like chips. I mean, it's just some like oily, like fried, carcinogenic, crispy thing that has no place in your body. Honestly, no place. What is this now? Okay, rice and beans. I mean, not bad, not bad. And some jackfruit enchilada. Okay, that is better. That is better. But I mean, another small serve. Really, this is a small serve, especially for her. Okay. I mean, I don't know how much oil and stuff is in that. Soy, shrimp, and crab. Okay, yep. Tempura. Great to see plant-based sushi rolls. I think it's a fantastic option for individuals like herself in particular. Just leave out the fried stuff, hey. Leave out the fried stuff and get like avocado, cucumber, you know, vegetables inside. And leave out all the fried, because it's just going to make you feel ill. And obviously not be good for your weight and your health. Yeah, so this one, it's a lot better than how she started the day. It's not ideal, but a lot better. Okay, yeah, ramen. The thing is, you know, you have to remember there's a shitload of sodium in these foods, a ton of sodium, and it keeps you like addicted to that sort of food. You know, all these like excitotoxins and, you know, MSG and sodium, and it keeps you really like pulled towards this food. And every around 2 weeks you get a new set of taste buds. So if you eat this way, if you eat the fruit-based way, which is amazing by the way, then you're going to get a new set of taste buds and start to crave that food. She got the kitty there. All right. Okay, so that day started off shocking, absolutely shocking. But let's go and have a look at, you know, I just want to see, I want her to realize the reason that she is obese, and no one should be comfortable being obese and staying there. Okay, and that's not me saying like there's something, you're a horrible person if you're obese and blah blah blah. No, it's not your identity. Don't make it your identity being obese. Okay, that's not who you are. You are just carrying this extra weight, extra fat tissue that you can start to lose at any time you want. It's not you. It's just extras. You need to realize that. Okay. But I want her to help. I want to help her. We want to help her, right? To make the connection between what she's eating and her weight. And we know she's going to be experiencing bad health. Like what she says here. What I eat during a hormone-induced depression day. Okay, so this may be to do with having a period. Hang on, someone says here, looks so yummy, hope you feel better soon. I know how hard period depression is. And this is something that I am very experienced with because I came from having, heavier periods before and painful periods to being on the Frugivore diet and not having any pain, okay? And not having this like crazy hormone fluctuation. So let's have a look a little bit of this.
What I eat during a hormone-induced depression.
Okay, so we have to turn Harry Styles down. What I eat during a look at this. This is a big part of the reason that you feel rubbish. That you feel hormonal. Ugh, rubbish. Cinnamon, sugar, grape nut. Okay, a lot of dry stuff, a lot of wartime bunker. Stick it in your buncher. Stick it in your bunker, hun. Don't even bother eating this right now. Okay, we got fresh stuff around us. You want to feel good, so you don't want to feel like a dry quesadilla. What's that? So she's got some soft drink or something where she needs some fruit, some smoothie. A sneaky. So she's got that processed, the bioengineered meat stuff, and it looks a little sad to me. It's great that there's some fresh in there. I'm giving her like props for that, but it looks sad. Can do better. Can definitely do better. I did not go outside today and mostly slept. Oh, so she seems really quite depressed here. And I have to tell you, wow, you can really, really reduce the pain. I actually had, like on Raw Till 4, I still had discomfort. It was nothing like being a flesh eater. But Raw Till 4, I still had, regularly eating Raw Till 4, I still had discomfort on menstruation. But since after 11 months on the Frugivore diet, I have had some cooked, like I can tell you about that sometime since then, but after 11 months on the Frugivore diet, my period got completely pain-free. Incredible. I cannot believe it, honestly. Amazing. And I just want you to know that you can have freedom from the pain, because it's a lot to do with what you're putting in your mouth.
Okay, my period's still kicking my ass. I got Whole Foods.
Why do you think your period's still kicking your ass? Because you are just polluting your body. And your body has to remove a lot of crap, basically. So stop polluting your body. It should not be normalized to have painful, heavy periods. But it's not meant to be that way. You're eating incorrectly.
I talked about my menstrual cycle, and I was super excited because I had gotten like a really short, light period, and that had never happened for me before. I always had a really heavy period from the time that I was like 12 and started my period.
Foods, vegan pizza. I'm eating in the parking lot. Someone next to me can definitely hear me talking to myself. My period's still kicking my ass. I got Whole Foods vegan pizza.
Oh, it completely rubbish.
So I'm eating in the parking lot. Someone next.
Okay, so obviously she, eating like this is definitely going to give you more pain. It's definitely going to affect your hormones. And for those trying to make out that it doesn't affect your hormones, you are uneducated. You're inexperienced and uneducated, and you don't get it. Everything you put in your gob affects how you feel and how your body functions. So, Fat Vegana, we definitely would like to see some more healthy food from you. And I know it's going to actually make you feel and look your best, okay? So definitely, I recommend you jump on Raw Till 4 for sure, because you can eat as much as you want. Mental health care. You can eat as much as you, whoa, hello, I'm sorry, but I'm shocked here. As much as you care for, and the volume is going to fill your stomach, going to feel satisfied. Pepperoni pizza, yikes, like no. No. This industrial food, like based diet, and it's just sad. Man-made kibble. Frankenfood. It is Frankenfood. Oh, wow. Weekly corn dog. Okay, weekly. But like fried, so fried. You can see the oil in this thing. Just make you feel horrible. It's easy to smile and be on camera for like literally a minute, but we don't see how individuals feel afterwards. When we all know how we feel when we eat this way. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay. This is a shocking day. This is shocking. And again, yes, it is plants origin, but industry origin, but it's still very, very unhealthy. And I think she's proving that it will just keep you obese, if you eat like this. This is a way to eat if you want to be an obese vegan or overweight, okay? And it's basically like similar to Unnatural Vegan, how she promotes, but just she restricts. Okay, anyway, that's my video for today. Don't forget to go fruit yourself, and I will see you soon. Let me know in the comments how you feel.